Hello everyone, welcome to another unboxing video. And in this video today, we're going to unbox the DJI Mini 2. That's right, they dropped the Mavic name from the Mavic Mini. It's just called the DJI Mini 2. There are a lot of different things about this new upgraded drone. The DJI Mini 2 is released in two different retail packages. The first is a standalone package, which is the one I'm unboxing here. It comes with the basics, being the remote, the drone, the controller, the battery, and a cord to charge the drone and a few cords for the phone to hook to the remote controller to your smartphone. Once you have removed the plastic to the box, there will be on the bottom a plastic label that you need to cut with a sharp object to open it. And then as soon as you open the box, right on the other side is your new DJI Mini 2 ready to meet you right there in front of you. Then you just take it out of the box. My first impressions when I got the drone out of the box was how light it really was. It reminded me a lot of the first Mavic Mini, although this is just called the Mini 2. It felt lighter, but at the same time I was impressed because this Mini 2, the plastics on it feel more dependable and durable, and it doesn't feel as cheaply made, and it doesn't just flex or have a lot of stickers on it. Next, underneath the box, we're going to go to the second layer and we're going to see what is underneath here. Okay, you pull the little tab and this is the box that your paperwork comes in, the instructions and things of that nature. You pull that up and it's going to reveal the wires and cords and extra propellers that come with your DJI Mini 2. So I'm just going to go ahead and take these out of the box here, lay them to the side. Here's the little wires. And here's the extra propellers, the props, as people call them. A whole new set in case you need them. Oh, and these right here are the controller control sticks that just screw on to the controller. They give you an extra set of those too. And this right here is going to be the screwdriver if you need to change the propellers. Now we go to the next layer, which is the bottom layer, and it reveals the new DJI remote. And it is a lot bigger than the first Mavic Mini's remote. It looks like the DJI Mavic Air 2's remote. It looks like it's the new standard for the new DJI drones that they're releasing. Now, a lot of people complain that this remote is a lot bigger, that it takes away from the overall portability of the drone. But myself, I welcome this. I actually like how you can mount your phone to the top rather than the bottom, and also allowing the DJI Mini 2 to have OcuSync 2.0, which greatly increases the distance of the drone itself. Okay, so I'm going to go over the things that this came with in the box. Right here's the extra propellers. Okay, we're going to set those back to the side here. These right here are the control sticks that screw onto the controller. There are two in the package. Next we have the smartphone cords that connect your smartphone to the controller of the Mini 2. Then we have a USB-C charging cord that comes with the Mini 2. Then we have the screwdriver, and these aren't quick connect propellers. It's exactly like the Mavic Mini 1. You're going to need a Phillips screwdriver to change out the propellers, and this comes with that screwdriver. And this right here are the pamphlets and instruction manuals and all the paperwork that come with the Mini 2. Now this comes with quick start instructions telling you how to operate the drone. You don't just want to power on the drone and fly it without any guidance at all. I highly suggest that you read the instructions and the guide that it comes with that's a little bit thicker. Right here it is, and it tells you about the drone. You're going to want to read through this so you'll know what you're doing. It also comes with these advertisements telling you to be responsible when you're flying the drone. Now I'm going to proceed to take off the stickers that bind the propellers together. There are quite a bit of stickers holding this thing together. There's one, and as I turn it over, there's one on the other side for the propellers. And again, just gently take off this sticker so that the propellers won't be bound. Next, there is another sticker that remains. There is a gimbal protector, and there is a sticker that goes from side to side of the Mini 2, so you'll be able to take off the gimbal protector that protects the camera of the drone. And you just take it off just like I'm doing here from side to side. Okay, once you get that done, you can kind of open the wings or arms, whatever you want to call it, and you're going to fold this out. So this is my first look of the Mini 2, and I think it looks pretty cool. And like I said before, it actually feels like it weighs less. I know on the box it actually says it weighs 242 grams, and that's about 7 grams lighter than the original Mavic Mini. So far, I'm pretty impressed at the premium feel to the drone and the premium feel to the plastic. It doesn't really feel as generic as last year's original Mavic Mini. So I feel that I'm getting my money's worth. Okay, now this also comes with a battery, and they have changed the kind of batteries that they use since the Mavic Mini. The Mavic Mini uses a lithium-ion battery, whereas the Mini 2 uses lithium polymer batteries. Another change that you will notice in the back here is the charging port is now USB-C instead of micro USB, which is vulnerable to breaking. So this one is a lot better. So the things that have increased are the range, the resolution. It can now record in 4K 30 frames per second, as you can see on the front of the glass of the camera. It also has a direct transfer button where you don't need to put your micro SD card into a computer to retrieve your footage, which I think is quite helpful. Now, a thing that had me worried at first, I didn't see a smartphone hookup for my iPhone. I saw a micro USB for an Android and a USB-C for an Android. So there were 2 cables, and I thought there were supposed to be 3. And I looked all over the place for it. I thought, where could it be? And then as I lifted up the top of where you put your smartphone at, what did I find? Lo and behold, when you lift up the place where you attach your smartphone to the controller, you will see that there is a lightning cord, USB to lightning cable, already plugged in the controller here. Now that's the way my drone came. I don't know if they all come like that, but if you think it's missing, it's not, so you don't have to get worried. The only thing that I wish that did include that they did not is the propeller holder. It holds the propellers in place for when you put it in your storage case. So just keep in mind, guys, you can buy a propeller holder for an average of $9 online. So that has been my unboxing of the DJI Mini 2. If you like this video, smash the like button and subscribe to my channel.